Welcome back, my boys, to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little number theory, a little Project Euler question. I think it's 7th on Project Euler. So if you're watching this, you're probably cheating, or you've done it, or you're probably cheating. Alright, so in this video, we want to find a Pythagorean triplet, a squared plus b squared
equals c squared,
where a, b, and c add up to 1,000. Alright, first, instead of trying to find 3 numbers, it would be way easier to just find 2 numbers instead.
Yep.
So instead of finding an a, b, and c, let's try to find 2 numbers.
X and Y.
So how do we go about doing that? Well, a good generating function for a Pythagorean triplet is x squared minus y squared, 2xy, and x squared plus y squared. So we can prove that that works by plugging it into the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then we'll see, what was it?
X squared minus Y squared plus 2xy squared equals x squared plus y squared squared. Does this work?
So let's see. First,
X to the 4 minus 2x squared, y, not x, plus y to the 4 plus 4x squared, y squared equals x to the 4 plus 2x squared, y squared plus y to the 4.
and then we could just collect the like terms here. So 4 minus 2, that is obviously 2. X to the 4 plus 2x squared y squared plus y to the 4 equals x to the 4 plus 2x squared y squared plus y to the 4. The left side equals the right side. We have a,
It's x squared minus y squared. B, that's 2xy. And c, that's x squared plus y squared.
let's keep those on the side. Can you see them? Yep. Alright, so remember, we want a plus b plus c equals 1,000. So then we could just plug our x's and y's into this. X squared minus y squared plus 2xy plus x squared plus y squared equals 1,000. We can cancel out the y's here and add the x squareds together to get 2x squared plus 2xy equals 1,000. And let's divide everything by 2 to get x squared plus xy equals 500. And then factor out an x, and you get x times x plus y equals 500. And this is a good place because then we can get the factors of 500, every factor of 500, so like 501, and plug them in here. You're going to want to take a factor of 500, like for example, 1/500, and you want to minus 500 from the smaller one. or the first. So 500 minus 1. So this formula, 1 and 499, would work into it. But obviously it's not 499, because 499 squared is way more than 1,000. So let's clean it up and list out all the factors. Not all, but most of 500. So there's
2 and 250. There's 4, 125, 5 and 100. 10 and 50. And then 20, 25.
and that's minus this bigger boy from the smaller one. So we get an x, then an x plus y.
And we'll get here 2 and 248. This is 4 and 121. This one is 5 and 95. 10 and 40. And then this is 20 and 5.
Alright, so these ones, if you square the bigger one, all of them squared are greater than 1,000. So we know that none of these work. So that leaves us only two options. The pair of 10 and 40 and 20 and 5. So let's try 10 and 40 first. So 10 and 40. That's not going to work, because 10 squared minus 40 squared, it's less than 0. So it's less than 0, and it equals something. I don't care, really. But 20 minus 5 is the only one left. It's our only hope. Let's put it in. So A is 20 squared minus 5 squared, which equals 400 minus 25, or 375. B, it's 2 times 20 times 5. 20 times 5 is 100, so this is 200. And C, we get 20 squared plus 5 squared, which equals 400 plus 25, which equals 425. And let's see if this works. So if you do it, you will get 375 squared plus 200 squared equals 425 squared. That is true. And it's pretty easy to see that if you add this 25 to that 75, you'll get 100 added to this, that's 300. Another 300, it's 600. 600 plus 400 is 1,000. So 375 plus 200 plus 425 equals 1,000. And there you go. That is a Pythagorean triplet that adds up to 1,000. What a beautiful boy. And make sure not to cheat on the project U. That's a good place to stop.
Allah